قد جاءكم من الله نور وكتاب مبين.
Just hold your right index finger up. This is a sign that shows that there is only one God. Not three, but one. Okay? So if you're ready, we'll do that now, okay? Now. Okay. So you repeat after me. Ashhadu La ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Our new sister in Islam, Sister Paula, and inshallah soon we'll help you to choose a Muslim name.
من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
Okay, so tell everybody your name.
I'm Randy Janji Zablat from Saudi, Philippines.
And how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
And how long have you wanted to take Shahada? How long have you wanted to tell people that you are Muslim?
Gaano nakatagal gusto mo maging Muslim?
Never and ever and ever.
And how many Muslims are in your family?
Ilang Muslim na sa pamilya mo?
One.
You?
Yes.
Only you. When did you decide that you wanted to be Muslim? How old were you then?
Kailan gusto mo naging Muslim at ilang taon?
Kailan mo naisip na gusto mo maging Muslim? Kailan mo naisip? Anong taon? Anong edad mo noon? Na naisip mo na?
9 years old.
1 year.
Oh, mashallah. Mashallah. And you already know how to pray?
Yes.
And you've been praying with your auntie?
Yes.
Mashallah. Okay, so he wants people to witness the Shahada. So we're going to say the Shahada, and then you're going to repeat it in English and Tagalog so that everybody knows that you know what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay. So remember the sign for one God is to point your index finger up. Okay? Ashhadu La ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
قد جاءكم من الله نور وكتاب مبين يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
First, we're going to say it in English. Okay, because I know you don't understand Arabic, so first we're going to say it in English. I bear witness that there is only one worthy of worship, and that is Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of God. Okay. So what we do now is you hold your right finger up, your index finger, pointing towards heaven, because the index finger signifies there is only one God. So we'll say this in Arabic, and I'll go slow so you can repeat after me. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. And you believe there is only one God and that Muhammad is his messenger. Alhamdulillah, you're Muslims now. Good. So, my brother.
Sundan mo ako na. Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar. Muslim ka na. So, congratulations. So, kita pwede embrace si brother na, okay? Kasi di ba embrace, no? So, si Mr. Muhammad, si embrace. So, welcome sa Islam. Okay? So, sana,
I testify and I believe there is only one God and the Muhammad is the messenger of God.
MashaAllah. Yes.
May nag-iisang Diyos.
Walang ibang Diyos maliban sa Allah at ang propeta Muhammad.
Ang propeta Muhammad ay siyang mensahero ng Diyos.
Does the camera bother you? Is it what's making you nervous?
Hindi mo na sinasabi. Nagpapatunay na may nag-iisang Diyos at walang ibang Diyos kundi ang dakilang Allah.
Okay.
At walang ibang mensahero ng Diyos kundi si Propeta Muhammad.
And you believe this with all your heart, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. So we go right to left. This is the sunnah. So please say, point your right hand. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Inshallah. This is a gift from the Saudi Embassy. It's Holy Quran in English. And Hadith?
Sunod ka lang sa kanya.
Point your right finger. This is the sign for one God. Say, Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
قد
MashaAllah. It's a gift from the Saudi Embassy. It's a Quran in English. And inshallah we'll get one in Tagalog for you.
Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا.